Here is our Merrymaking craft set with 6 stars, 6 Christmas trees, buffalo plaid, stickers, and a paint pot with 3 brushes. Hi friends, Jenny here with another quick craft for the holiday season. These are ornaments with little stickers, and this is a little kit it comes with. Inside the kit you will find stickers. These are our buffalo plaid. They either come in red or black. You'll have 3 brushes, 6 Christmas tree shapes, and also 6 star shapes, and a little paint pot of white paint. You'll need a cup of water, a palette, and you need paper towels for cleanup. I like to use a glue gun for this project as well. So the first thing you'll do is choose your ornament. I like to do a little bit of a whitewash on this. We chose white for this project. I really didn't want to disturb the wood too much, but I like the way a little whitewash looks on this. So a little bit of white paint and add a little bit of water. And this just creates a nice whitewash to brush on your entire ornament. Once you're satisfied with that color, just pick out not an ornament, but a sticker. One of these buffalo plaid stickers. And there's 12 stickers on here and 12 ornaments, so you've got lots of possibilities. I'll use this little star guy. And then instead of using the sticker, I'm gonna reinforce it with a little hot glue. And just like that, voila, you're done. Another cute little embellishment I like to do is a micron pen, and I put to and from, so it also duals as not only an ornament, but it can also be a little gift tag for your presents. Micron pen works great. That's it. Bye. Happy holidays.